In this guide, I will show you how to delete your Grab history. First thing first, let's open up Grab. From there, navigate to your history. You can do this by going to the Activity tab and clicking on History in the Transport section. In the History section, you may not find an option to delete your history directly. In this case, you'll need to reach out to support to request deletion. To contact support, go to your account at the bottom right and scroll down until you see the option that says Help Center. Click on it. In the Help Center page, scroll down until you see the option that says Chat is offline. Wait for the chat option to become available, usually from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., and click on it to start chatting with the support representative. Once connected with a support agent, request them to delete your history and provide any necessary details they may ask for. After requesting deletion, the support representative should assist you accordingly once your history is deleted. You should be good to go. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.